Instead of spending money on expensive hair growth products, did you know that right in your own kitchen, you may already have simple ingredients that can help nourish the scalp, reduce breakage, and support healthy hair growth? I share simple and natural recipes that anyone can make right at home. Noticing your hair washing down the drain? Frustrating, right? Stay with me until the end of the video to see how these simple items can be transformed into a wonderful natural boost for your hair. We'll start today's recipe with the first ingredient, onion. Did you know that onions are especially rich in sulfur? A mineral often called the food for hair follicles. Sulfur plays an important role in the production of collagen and keratin, two proteins essential for healthy hair growth. For this recipe, you'll only need about half of an onion. Peel off the skin and dice it into small pieces so the natural compounds can be released and blend more easily into the mixture. When used properly, onion juice may help awaken dormant hair follicles and support better circulation on the scalp. This way, your hair can receive more nourishment over time, which may reduce breakage and support thicker, stronger growth. After dicing the onion, place it into a clean pot. I recommend using a glass pot if you have one, since it holds heat well and helps the onion release more of its beneficial compounds for hair care. The next ingredient is rice, something we usually think of only for cooking, but for centuries, women in Asia have treasured it as a secret for healthy hair. Rice is rich in B vitamins, minerals like magnesium and zinc, and especially inositol, a natural compound that may help support damaged hair, smooth the strands, and reduce split ends. Just 1 tablespoon of white rice adds an important element to this recipe, helping the hair feel softer and shinier. When cooked together with the other ingredients, the rice releases a starchy liquid similar to rice water, but enriched with nutrients, creating a gentle natural coating to help protect each strand. The third ingredient is cloves, a familiar spice in many kitchens. What's less commonly known is that these tiny flower buds are packed with powerful antioxidants, especially eugenol. Prepare just 1 tablespoon of dried cloves, give them a quick rinse, and then add them to the pot along with the onion and rice. Studies suggest that cloves may help cleanse the scalp, protect hair follicles from free radical damage, and support stronger, healthier-looking growth. In addition, the warm, comforting fragrance of cloves brings a relaxing touch to your wash-turning hair care into a soothing ritual for both body and mind. The next important ingredient is bay leaves. The natural oils in bay leaves are often valued for supporting thicker strands, helping to reduce thinning and encouraging healthier hair growth. Add 2 to 3 bay leaves to the recipe to give your hair an extra boost of fullness and vitality. Be sure to tear them into smaller pieces before placing them in the pot so their essence can be released more easily while cooking. And finally, we can't forget water, the base that allows all the ingredients to blend and release their goodness. Add about 2 cups, 500 milliliters of filtered water to the pot. Place it on the stove, turn the heat to medium, and let it boil for around 10 minutes. While it cooks, you can stir gently to help the ingredients mix. As the water begins to boil, the scent of onion, the warm aroma of cloves, and the fragrance of bay leaves will rise, almost like you're preparing a pot of herbal tea. If you've ever tried a natural hair care tip that worked well for you, please share it in the comments below. Your valuable experiences might become a wonderful inspiration for others. After 10 minutes, turn off the stove and let the pot rest for about 5 minutes so the ingredients can steep a little longer. Then strain the mixture through a fine sieve or a clean cloth to collect the liquid. What you have now is a natural herbal rinse. Each ingredient plays its own role. Onion helps awaken hair growth. Rice supports smoother, healthier strands. Cloves help protect the follicles, and bay leaves are valued for adding fullness. When blended, they create a nourishing mixture that may help reduce hair fall, encourage new growth, and support overall hair health. Once you've prepared the base liquid from onion, rice, cloves, and bay leaves, it's time to add one special ingredient that makes this recipe even more complete: coffee. While you may be used to drinking coffee for energy, it's less well known that caffeine is often noted for its potential role in supporting scalp health. Some research suggests it may help block DHT, a hormone linked to hair thinning, and in turn support stronger, thicker-looking growth. When added to a hair rinse, coffee acts as a natural booster, helping to reduce shedding while encouraging new hair to appear fuller and healthier. Just 1 tablespoon of coffee is enough to give this mixture an extra boost of strength. Finally, we'll need a gentle sulfate-free shampoo to use as the base. Add about 5 tablespoons of shampoo to the mixture. This amount works just right for the recipe. The reason we avoid sulfates is that they can sometimes dry out the scalp and make hair more fragile, especially for those with fine hair or sensitive skin. You can easily choose a mild, natural shampoo available on the market. Stir all the ingredients together, and you'll have a blend that not only cleanses the scalp, but also nourishes the roots and supports healthier, fuller hair growth. A wonderful natural treat for your hair. Finally, pour the mixture into a clean bottle with a lid. Each time you wash your hair, simply shake the bottle well so the ingredients are evenly blended, and then use it just like a regular shampoo. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you now have a homemade shampoo, made from everyday kitchen ingredients, budget-friendly, gentle, and natural. With regular use over time, it may help your hair feel stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. Once your homemade hair growth potion is ready, the way you use it will make all the difference. For best results, apply this shampoo twice a week on alternating days so your scalp has time to rest and absorb the natural goodness. This frequency is just right to keep your scalp clean without stripping away its protective oils. When washing, wet your hair and take a small amount of shampoo, spreading it evenly from roots to ends. The most important step is to massage your scalp for about 2 to 3 minutes. Use your fingertips to make gentle circular motions all over the scalp. Think of it as a kind of scalp meditation, relaxing while also encouraging healthy circulation and allowing the natural blend of onion, rice, cloves, bay leaves, and coffee to nourish each follicle. With regular use over about 7 to 10 weeks, many people have noticed positive changes, less shedding when brushing or washing a scalp that feels lighter and cleaner, and over time, hair that appears thicker and stronger. Even areas that once felt thin or fragile may gradually look improved with patience. The wonderful thing about this homemade shampoo is that it can be used by both women and men. It also offers a natural option for men who are concerned about increased hair thinning as they get older. You could call this a budget-friendly secret from nature that anyone can try right at home. Instead of spending a lot of money on expensive chemical products, you can discover a simple solution right in your own kitchen. With consistent use, many people find that their hair sheds less, feel stronger, and may even show new strands full of life. I truly believe this can be one of those valuable little tips that help people feel more confident every day. Please remember, this video is for reference only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Before we wrap up this video, I'd love to know, which country are you watching from? Leave me a comment so I can send a special greeting and well wishes your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more natural self-care tips each week. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you good health and peace always, and I'll see you in the next video.